सो दिस इज टी फैक्ट्री ऑल्सो। हाँ, सो जैसे हमने कि वहाँ पे टी फैक्ट्री देखी थी, वैसी सेम टी फैक्ट्री यहाँ पे भी है। एंड टी गार्डन टी फैक्ट्री, लेट्स गो सी यहाँ की कैसी है चाय विद अ चाय लवर। मम्मी, ये चाय लवर हो ना आप? फर्स्ट बोर्ड, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2026। आज 30 तारीख है और कल 31 है। हेलो, या जाओ भाई चाय लवर। ओह माय गॉड,
factory. I'm Nirosha. Our factory name is Glenlaw.
Glenlaw.
It's running 150 years.
वाओ।
There are 300 hectares tea plantation on this factory. Traditionally, tea picking only women because they have small fingers. So they pick in very fast. Then men, they pick in like this: 3 leaves and a bud. Same plant, but here we produce different varieties of the tea. That is green tea, black tea, white tea, and silver tea. Do you know about silver tea and white tea?
White tea I have seen.
Silver tea and white tea we have. I will explain about that.
Oh, wow.
Normally, all leaves are using for making black tea. Everything is black tea.
Only this is for white tea.
Yeah. Only the young leaf using for making green tea. Unopened the leaf using for making white tea and silver tea. But green tea, white tea, and silver tea, natural tea. So dried under the sunshine. So natural tea we produce once in a month. Every day here we making black tea. So now I'm going to explain
What is
about
the
black
difference between silver tea and white tea?
tea. Silver tea, white tea, and black tea together mix. Silver tea only the top of the bar. White tea.
Silver and white tea same.
White tea only top of the birch. Silver tea, white tea, and black tea together mix.
Oh.
Half half.
ओके, साफ मिक्सर।
Now we're going to see how making black tea. First stage withering. We call it withering trough. After plucking done, all teas every day in the evening, they bring here. Once we can put 1200 kilograms of grain leaf for the one machine. We can keep it like this 12 hours. But after 12 hours, 1200 kilos become 600 kilos, half.
हाफ।
Because there are a big fan with this machine. That fan blow up 50% moisture. Okay. After semi-dry tea leaf, again put in the basket and send to the rolling machines. Because next stage rolling, there is roll machines in the downs floor. I will explain about that in the downs floor. Mama and two sons.
Yes.
Yeah. Both are good like
Yeah, he is. We are from the same factory. Yeah? I look same.
Same.
But I am a handsome man. Kabir is cuter than me.
There are roller machine, grinding machine. After finish semi-dry, the tea leaf directly to the roll machine. But once we can put 275 kilograms of grain leaf on the one machine, then each cutting and crushing within 20 minutes. But after grind, that machine giving different sizes of the leaves. So that leaves pass to this machine. Because this is sieving. There are different size neck hole in this machine. So this machine separating according to the sizes. But different sizes giving different taste of the tea. Normally small particles giving strong taste. Medium particles giving medium. Big particles giving lighter taste.
Lighter taste.
Normally Sri Lankan people drink small particles strong tea with milk and sugar. But some people don't like with the strong tea. So you will separate the processes like this. Because you end up the process, 75% export in for the Europe, 25% packing and selling here in our tea shop. Okay?
Oh, wow.
There are same machines rolling, same machines living. You can see they are how separated that machine.
So small leaves.
Four boxes like that. Yeah. Small, medium, large and big. Very big particles hold here, then pass rolling, then machine.
Big particles, medium, some small.
That dry is the dry. We have dry machine. This is a small, this is big.
Okay. Strong tea and light tea. Visiting tea garden with a person who has never had tea.
Now this is the fermenting area.
Okay.
After separate that tea particles, bring here. Then spread tea leaves on the truck by hand.
Uh-huh.
We can keep it like this 2 hours. 2
2
hours
hours.
enough.
Okay.
Because after keeping long time like this, taste very strong.
Okay.
Now you can see there are small water fan.
Yeah.
Little bit noisy. That fan is spray water. Then automatically start fermentation. Fermentation means color, taste and aroma.
Okay.
But green tea, white tea and silver tea, no fermenting.
So you need to keep it moist.
Moist.
Yeah. Okay.
Only black tea fermented like this.
Okay.
Now black tea tastes very nice.
Yeah.
Because after fermentation we come taste and aroma.
Okay.
But green tea, white tea and silver tea no more taste.
No more. Okay.
Spray water like that.
समझ लो भाइयों, मैं दोबारा नहीं समझाऊंगा, एक ही बार बताऊंगा मैं.
Fry 120 centigrades within 20 minutes fry. Now black tea is ready because after rolling become green color.
Yeah.
After fermentation become brown. After dry become black.
Black.
Green to brown to black. Now black tea is ready. But after dryer become like this. Brown and black together mix.
Okay.
Brown particle from the stems, black from the tea leaves. Here we have old machine. This machine separating the stems and tea leaf according to the weight. Because the stem particle lighter, special leaf heavier. After separating like this, stem particle using for compost, for fertilizer, special leaf using for tea. But
Okay.
this machine little bit old. So old machine separating only 50%. So a little bit of stem particles. But we have new machine over there. That machine separating 100%.
100%.
Yeah, after separated 100% ready to drink and packing for export.
Oh wow.
Black tea are not separated. Here we have four machines again. Different sizes via maze. Because this machine separated according to sizes again after dryer. But there are still
4 machines, different sizes, separating different leaves. These are the leaves. Hi. Now these are the machines जो 100% कर देते हैं. This is the new tech. So this is camera technology that we use, right?
color coded.
Okay. This is the finest one. Strong black tea, huh?
This is less strong.
Less strong. Okay. This is less strong.
That's coconut.
कोई पिएगा मेरे हाथ की चाय. So ये था. This was the tour of the tea factory.
Now this is the black tea. This is BOPF, POP, OP and PECO. BOPF very strong. BOPF full form, broken orange pick of tannins.
Okay.
P mean broken of the leaves, our rolling machine process.
Okay.
Orange, natural color of the tea.
Okay.
Pico Chinese word because tea plant mother bushes first came from China.
Okay.
F finer particles, small particles, more strong.
Okay.
Some strong tea better with milk and sugar. So BOPF and tea does not exporting only here.
Only
because
here.
Sri Lankan people drink
Okay.
strong tea.
So
This
we should take BOPF, huh?
This is BOP, broken orange pico, known as English breakfast. So
Okay.
you can drink without or with milk.
Okay.
This is OP and pico, big leaves. It's giving less strong. Drink without milk and without sugar. This is a special black tea, the royal tea, also black tea, but processed little bit different. Because I told all leaves are using for making normal black tea, but only the young leaf and unopened leaf using for making this tea. So golden plus taste different than normal black tea. White tea, only top of the bud, directly drying under the sunshade. So it's giving less strong like hot water, but good for skin, hair and heart. This is silver tea. Silver tea, white tea and black tea together mix half. So silver tea little bit stronger than white tea. This is green tea. Green tea little bit steam, then dry under the sunshade. So it's giving bitter taste and good for diabetic and cholesterol. So green tea, silver tea, white tea, drink without milk and without sugar. And here we have fruit tea like this.
Oh,
This is fruit tea, mango.
mango tea. This smells very nice.
Strawberry, mango,
This is mango tea, huh?
Mango tea. And this is
strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay. Mango one's better. I like mango one.
How much is this white tea?
white tea 50 grams, 7,500 rupees. In Sri
7,000.
Lankan money.
Yeah.
But in India, less price, no? Yeah. Now not finished, now you can try some tea. Then
Okay.
if you want buy a little bit, you can buy.
Sure,
Then
sure.
if you want to go to tea plantation.
Orange peco, broken orange peco one and flowery broken orange peco. They have mellow flavor and broken orange peco.
So that was the tour of the tea factory. It is more than 100 years old tea factory, yeah. 150 years old tea factory. It's called Glenlot's. Wow. So all these tea products, I believe. Would like to. कैसा लगा आपको?
Yeah, nice. Same thing. Very much bigger.
Good short tour, yeah.
green tea and the royal tea.
So this is the white tea,
White tea,
green tea, and the
royal tea.
royal
Golden tea.
golden tea.
Uh,
Okay.
This is normal black tea, B of the English breakfast tea.
Okay. The light one.
But better to start first
Yeah.
white tea. Okay. Then
Okay.
green tea, then royal tea, then black tea. Light to start. White tea and green tea without sugar.
Uh-huh.
Royal tea and black tea, if you want to drink a little bit with sugar, it's okay.
Okay.
You can take your dice. What are the You know, I
Do you want to have something with it?
Something we eat.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
This without sugar you drink for the this tea, but is the taste is totally different for the our tea packets also, and here the tea also totally different taste.
क्या
हल्की है
क्या
white tea.
मतलब अच्छी है कि नहीं? Very good,
Light.
but not light for the pocket.
Not like
Yeah, pocket not. So like for 50 grams,
we spend for the
3,500 रुपए की है 50 ग्राम की. इससे पहले जब हमने वाइट टी देखी थी, that was like 100 ग्राम और 75 ग्राम फॉर लाइक इंडियन रुपीज़ में बता रहा हूँ, नॉट श्रीलंकन. इंडियन रुपीज़ में अराउंड 16,000 कुछ की थी, तो 16,000 LKR की थी, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5,000 रुपीज़ ऑफ इंडिया. एक्सपेंसिव.
ले ले तुझे चीनी डाल.
छोटे थे आपने क्यों बोला था ऐसा?
तब बच्चों को यही बोला जाता था, चाय नहीं पीनी, चाय नहीं पीनी. अब
क्यों?
तो साले कोका कोला से ही जमते हैं.
बट
पैदा
क्यों नहीं
होते
पीनी
तो
चाय?
they want
बच्चों को क्यों
Coca-Cola.
बोलते थे चाय नहीं पीनी?
काले हो जा भाई, काले हो जाओगे.
हाँ.
गरम होता है ना, मतलब टी हैविंग टी इज नॉट गुड, दैट मच टी.
अब पी सकते हैं
हाँ.
क्यों? हम बड़े हो गए.
हाँ.
अब जितना काला गोरा होना था हो गया, अब नहीं हो सकता कुछ. देखो
इसकी से तो अच्छा है चाय पियो.
आप क्या कह रहे थे कि हम ऐसी शक्ल क्यों बना रहे?
ऐसे ऐसे शक्ल बना रहे हो जैसे साले विस्की के टाइम तो नहीं बनाते, इसके टाइम बनाते हो.
बियर के टाइम भी नहीं बनाते.
तब तो चिटकारे लेते हो. आहा आहा आहा.
हम इस चटकारे इसलिए लेते क्योंकि हमें बियर का टेस्ट तो डेवलप हो गया ना, जैसे कबीर ने बोला.
मंजू हैज मदर अलाइव,
no.
फादर.
Father is not alive.
मंजू, मदर अलाइव, योर मदर ओनली. बट आई विल स्टिल प्रेफर बियर एंड विस्की ओवर चाय. मेरा मेरे एक बंगाली दोस्त है, ठीक है. वो पता है क्या करता है? वो पहले पिएगा विस्की, बियर सब पिएगा, ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर वो कहता है अगर मैं चाय पी लूँगा तो मैं विस्की बियर नहीं पीऊँगा, और अगर मैंने विस्की बियर पी ली तो मैं चाय नहीं पीऊँगा. सो ऐसा उसका चलता है. उसका नाम है अभिषेक बैनर्जी. तेल ले बना रहा हूँ मैं ये चाय वाला कंटेंट. नहीं सबके लिए बना रहा हूँ, उसके लिए. चाय लवर दोस्त. इंग्लिश में बोला था हमने. हमारे नाना जी ने हमारे नाना जी उन्होंने बोला कि वहाँ जा रहे हो, कोलंबो जा रहे हो तो क्रॉकरी लेकर के आना. अंबानी भी लेते हैं वहाँ से क्रॉकरी. ओह ग्रेट, वेरी नाइस टी. Even the white tea was good. But I wanted to try that mango tree. If we can, where can you find the mango tree box?
मैंगो टी.
Mango tea smell was very good.
Mango tea is it?
एक तो कभी ये ले रहे हैं
Mango
ये
ये क्या?
मैंगो टी
ये भी ले.
बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक मैंगो टी. Vanilla. Very smelling and good.
And what is this?
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
This is for how much? Cinnamon?
$2,500.
How many grams?
100 grams.
This is good.
This is garden fresh cinnamon and clove.
What?
Okay.
Where? In this.
Garden fresh cinnamon and clove.
Even clove is here.
Yeah, clove. ये तो है. This is clove, no?
नहीं, in this box अलग अलग है ना.
Yes.
ये cinnamon है वो.
Yeah. Now you can buy this bag. This has both cinnamon and clove, right? How much is for? 16,700 and so 387. Okay.
Where is Kabir?
Like I said previously, I don't know where Kabir is.
आप लोग decide करो.
I don't know where Kabir is.
ये ना कुछ.
I don't know. Here.
Oh.
This is for hand massage. This controls your reduce blood pressure, controls diabetes, reduce muscle pain, improves blood circulation.
Good. Different part.
Different part. This is only for 12,500.
Different part.
Yeah.
Part and dal karna.
Very nice. I might buy it. So, बहुत सारी चाय खरीद के अब हम चल पड़े हैं. Mama has gone to the washroom. So now long drive we go to Candy Truth Temple. अब हम कैंडी की तरफ जा रहे हैं. मज़ा आएगा. Let's go. पहाड़ हो और ये ना हो. Not possible. Lord Alto is everywhere. Lord Alto is Lord. इंडिया हो, इंडिया के पहाड़ हो, बाहर के पहाड़ हो. Lord Alto is successful, bro. Lord Alto ही लेना. Next. क्यों कबीर?
या वो भी मॉडिफाइड.
ये मॉडिफाइड कैसे है?
सुजुकी का लोगो देखो.
ओह अच्छा, मॉडिफिकेशन. कबीर की मॉडिफिकेशन तो देखो. Yeah. Tinted glass. Visors. Lord Alto. How much?
Yes.
This car, huh? You like this car?
Oh, Maruti, no?
Maruti Alto.
Suzuki Maruti Alto.
This is very good for mountain drives.
In India we call
it
Huh?
It's not good for the mountain.
But it goes everywhere in mountain, huh?
Yes, it's
In
not.
India we call it Lord Alto.
Not Alto.
Lord. It's like, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Lord Alto. चलो अब वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स कैंडी टू टेम्पल. लेट्स गो. नाउ वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू कैंडी बुद्धा टू टेम्पल. ये हमें लगेगा कम से कम नहीं तो 1.5 घंटे के आसपास की ड्राइव है पहाड़ की. एंड सुंदर सी ड्राइव है, डाउन हिल जाते हुए की ड्राइव है. सो वंस वी रीच कैंडी आप सीधा वहीं पे मिलते हैं. बीच बीच में मैं वीडियोस बना के डालता रहूँगा ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज दैट यू सी. वाटरफॉल आ गया एक छोटा वाटरफॉल. फाउंटेन भी है साथ में.